With its newest upgrade, Elon Musk has once again made the Cybercab Robotaxi one of the most distinctive vehicles Tesla has ever developed. It is not only expected to be one of Tesla's most energy-efficient cars, the least expensive to manufacture, and the vehicle with the fewest components, but it may also become the only Tesla equipped with Starlink V5. This discovery has quickly attracted attention because Tesla's full self-driving system was designed to function independently without depending on an internet connection. That leads to an important question: what exactly does Starlink add to the Cybercab? Is it simply another technological improvement, or could it also be part of a much larger business strategy from Elon Musk? What you're about to hear could completely change how you look at this vehicle. Tesla and Starlink recently confirmed that Starlink will be directly integrated into the Cybercab, shortly after more than 250 Cybercab vehicles were spotted at Gigafactory Texas. Both companies announced the development on X at the same time, sharing images that showed a Starlink module positioned on the roof of the vehicle alongside the cameras and sensors used for autonomous driving. Starlink described the system as high-speed internet from space for the next generation of autonomous vehicles. Tesla's own message was much shorter, simply stating that Starlink V5 would be directly integrated into the Cybercab. Based on the information currently available, Starlink V5 is the company's newest residential satellite dish and features a considerably smaller design compared with the previous V4 model. It weighs only around 2.4 pounds and uses approximately 35 to 50 watts of power on average, considerably below the roughly 75 to 100 watts required by V4. That makes V5 much more energy efficient and significantly easier to integrate into a vehicle such as the Cybercab. In terms of performance, Starlink V5 can reportedly reach peak download speeds of around 375 megabits per second or more, slightly below the 400 plus megabits per second possible with V4. Instead of focusing primarily on maximum speed, the V5 design emphasizes reduced weight, lower energy consumption, and lower production costs. That combination makes it particularly attractive for permanent installations and onboard applications using a compact flat panel antenna. Inside the Cybercab, direct Starlink V5 integration could provide a stable satellite connection capable of supporting real-time fleet management, over-the-air software updates, passenger entertainment, and dependable connectivity in remote locations where 5G or LTE service is weak or unavailable. Its lightweight construction also reduces the effect on the vehicle's total weight and battery consumption. So far, no retail Tesla vehicle has included a built-in Starlink satellite receiver directly integrated into the car. However, neither Tesla nor Elon Musk has clearly explained why the Cybercab specifically requires satellite connectivity. Tesla has not yet published complete technical specifications, details about the exact operating system, or information about when the feature will become available in production vehicles. That has created plenty of questions, particularly because the Cybercab has not yet been released to the general public and Tesla's Robotaxi service has not reached full-scale commercial deployment. Because of this, it is still uncertain whether Starlink integration will be included in the earliest production Cybercabs or whether Tesla is simply preparing the technology for later versions. The Cybercab is expected to use an improved version of Tesla's full self-driving computer based on the AI4 platform, offering considerably more processing capability than the AI3 hardware currently found in vehicles such as the Model 3 and Model Y. It is also believed to have significantly more memory, with each paired chip potentially carrying 16 gigabytes of RAM or more. This additional memory would help the system run complex end-to-end AI models without facing serious memory limitations. The increased computing capability can enable faster AI inference, support multiple high-resolution camera streams, and provide real-time sensor fusion with lower latency and improved accuracy in challenging urban environments. These capabilities are extremely important if Tesla wants to achieve safe unsupervised full self-driving without human intervention. Combined with the expected rollout of FSD V14 and later V15 software, the Cybercab is being developed with large-scale autonomous taxi operations in mind, potentially beginning around late 2026. The additional computing capacity should help the vehicle manage difficult edge cases, support remote monitoring during the early stages of deployment, and eventually move toward fully autonomous operation. But in reality, Tesla's autonomous driving architecture is centered around onboard processing. Using the AI-4 hardware platform, the vehicle can interpret its surroundings, determine its route, and make driving decisions without requiring a continuous internet connection. Even if the network connection disappears, the vehicle is designed to continue operating. So what exactly is Starlink doing? The most likely explanation is that the satellite connection is intended to support additional services rather than directly control the vehicle. Ashok Laswamy, Tesla's vice president of AI software, addressed the discussion surrounding Starlink V5 integration into the Cybercab on X. He clarified that satellite connectivity is not necessary for the vehicle to operate safely. According to Laswamy, the connection is primarily intended for services such as navigation assistance, customer support, and fleet management. This fits with Tesla's approach of allowing full self-driving to operate independently while using connectivity for additional functions. His comments suggest that Starlink is designed as an enabling technology for dynamic software updates, fleet coordination, and robotaxi operations rather than serving as a fundamental safety component of the autonomous driving system. Elon Musk also highlighted the passenger benefits of Starlink integration on X, mentioning the possibility of watching 4K streaming video while the Cybercab takes passengers wherever they want to go. The easiest way to understand it is that Starlink could allow the Cybercab to receive software updates over the air, access current traffic information, communicate with Tesla's fleet management infrastructure, connect with a support center when assistance is required, and provide high-speed internet access for passengers during their trip. All of these features could be valuable for a robotaxi network, particularly in regions where cellular infrastructure is limited. However, none of these functions are essential for the vehicle to drive itself safely. Beyond the technical advantages, some industry observers have suggested another possibility connected to Elon Musk's broader business strategy. For years, Musk has attempted to create strong connections between companies within his business ecosystem, including Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI. Tesla previously invested around $2 billion in xAI, while companies connected to Musk have repeatedly explored ways to share technologies, strengthen competitive positions, and create additional revenue opportunities. If every Cybercab eventually includes a Starlink terminal, SpaceX could potentially gain millions of additional satellite internet customers as Tesla expands its autonomous taxi fleet. In that scenario, Starlink would not simply be a technical feature. It could also become a major recurring revenue opportunity for SpaceX. Meanwhile, the Cybercab is undergoing extensive real-world testing across several U.S. states, including Texas, California, and at least 10 other locations. Production intent vehicles have reportedly accumulated thousands of miles on public roads, with significant testing taking place in dense urban environments. The purpose of these trials is to collect enormous amounts of real-world driving data, allowing Tesla to improve its AI models, reduce mistakes, and increase the reliability of its autonomous systems over time. At the same time, Tesla has expanded its robotaxi ride-hailing service into 7 operating regions across the United States, representing another important step in the company's autonomous driving strategy. According to Tesla watcher Sawyer Merritt, the service has expanded into Orlando and Tampa, Florida, where fully driverless Model Y vehicles reportedly operate without a safety supervisor inside the vehicle. Miami, Dallas, and Houston have also introduced autonomous Model Y ride-hailing operations without an in-vehicle safety driver. In Austin, Tesla currently operates a combination of supervised and unsupervised rides, while operations in the San Francisco Bay Area still require a safety monitor. Maps showing these service regions display clearly defined geofenced operating areas concentrated around residential communities and major urban districts. The rapid expansion of unsupervised operations across several markets suggests that Tesla is increasing real-world safety validation while simultaneously developing the infrastructure necessary for a large autonomous taxi network. That infrastructure includes charging facilities, vehicle cleaning, fleet management, and customer support systems that will be necessary for the eventual Cybercab rollout. Tesla North America also recently shared aerial footage showing gold-finished Cybercabs displayed at the Tesla Diner in Los Angeles. The footage shows the vehicles with their doors open, a red carpet display area, and visitors gathering in the parking lot to take photographs. The video was released as part of the celebration of the diner's first anniversary following its opening in 2025. It also highlighted Tesla's vision of combining its autonomous robotaxi fleet with the company's supercharger network. For now, however, Tesla still has not explained exactly how Starlink will function inside the Cybercab. Because of that, it is too early to determine whether this is truly a groundbreaking feature, or whether it is mainly laying the foundation for a broader collection of connected services that Tesla could introduce later. Even so, integrating Starlink into the Cybercab indicates that Tesla is moving toward an autonomous vehicle ecosystem with continuous connectivity, regardless of where the vehicle is operating. It also strengthens the connection between the different companies within Elon Musk's broader business ecosystem. Whether the biggest advantage ultimately goes to Cybercab passengers, Tesla, SpaceX, or the wider Musk ecosystem is still an open question. Only time will reveal the full impact of this unusual combination of autonomous driving and satellite connectivity. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next breakdown. See you in the next video.